Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 8 factors and multiples. Now let's discuss homework answer first. So 7th question, find the HCF of the following numbers by the division method. In that H 441, 630 and 945. So you will get the HCF of 945 and 630. 315. Okay, then HCF of 315 and 441 you will get 63. Therefore HCF of 441, 630 and 945 it will be 63. Okay. So last class we discussed about LCM or least common multiple. So let's discuss exercise 8C today. Okay. So first question, write the prime factors of each number and find the LCM. Okay. A 36 and 63. So in this you are finding LCM by prime factor method. Okay. For finding LCM also there are two methods, prime factor method and a division method. So first method here, writing the prime factor of each number and finding the LCM. It is prime factor method. Okay. So 36 and 63. First prime factor method we are using. So in this method, find the prime factorization of 36 and 63. So you know how to find the prime factorization of 36. Okay, how 36 you can divide it by 2. It will come 18. Okay, now 18 you can divide it by 2. You will get 9. Now 9 you can divide it by 3. You will get 3. 3 you can divide it by 3. You will get 1. Okay, so 36, how can we write? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So that you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next, prime factorization of 63 you can find. 63 it is divisible by 3. So 21. Now 31 is also divisible by 3. 21 is also divisible by 3. You will get 7. 7 is divisible by 7. You will get 1. Okay. So, how can we write a 63? 3 into 3 into 7. So, that you can write here. Okay. After finding the prime factorization of given numbers, next step, finding the prime factors used in both the numbers. What are the numbers used here? That you need to write here. Here 2 is used. Okay, so you can write a 2. Now 3 is used in both the numbers. So you can write a 3. Now 7 is used. So 7 also you can write. Okay. Now you can find LCM. So here you can see in 36, 2 is coming 2 times. And the 2 is not coming in 63. So in LCM 2 will come 2 times. Okay. So 2 into 2 into. Now next prime factor it is 3. 3 is coming 2 times in 36 and 3 is coming 2 times in 63. So in such cases, if a prime factor comes equal number of times in the given number, means that the same time of number it will come in LCM also. Okay, so 3 is coming 2 times in 36, 3 is coming 2 times in 63 also, then 3 will come 2 times in LCM, in their LCM also. Okay, so 3 into 3 into. Now third prime factor it is 7. 7 is coming 1 time in 63 and 7 is not coming in 36. So 7 will come one time in LCM, in their LCM. 36 and 63's LCM, 7 will come one time. Okay, so first prime factor 2. 2 is coming 2 times in 36, so it will come 2 times in the LCM of 36 and 63. Okay, now 3 is coming 2 times in 36 and 63. So since they are equal, since 3 is coming equal number of times in both the numbers, it will come the same time in their LCM also. Okay, here 3 is coming 2 times, here also 3 is coming 2 times, then in their LCM also it will come 2 times. Okay, now 7 is coming one time in 63 and 7 is not coming in 36, so in their LCM 7 will come one time. Okay, so on multiplying 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, you will get 252. So LCM of 36 and 63, it is 252. Next, B, 11 and 55. So you can find LCM using prime factor method. So first number 11. You know that 11 is a prime number. Okay, so 11 you can't do the prime factorization. 11 only you will get. Okay, 11 equal to 11. That only you can write. Okay, since 11 is a prime factor, you can write 11 equal to 11 only. Now, next 55. Prime factorization of 55 we can write. 55, it is divisible by 5. You will get 11. Now, 11 you can divide it by 11 only, you will get a 1. Okay, so 5 into 11. Okay, now here prime factors used are 11 and 5. So you can write a prime factors equal to 5, 11. Now how many times 5 is coming? In 55 it is coming one time and in 11 it is not coming. So in LCM, in the LCM of 11 and 55, 5 will come one time. Okay, now 11 is coming one time in 55 and 11 is coming one time in 11. So you can take, if an equal number of times a prime factor is coming means the same number of times it will come in their LCM also. 11 is coming one time in 11, 11 is coming one time in 55. So in their LCM also 11 will come one time. So 5 into 11 will be the LCM. So the LCM will be 5 into 11, 55. Okay. Next, C, 25 and 100. So first we can do the prime factorization of 25. Okay, so 25 you can divide it by 5, you will get 5. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. Okay, so 25 equal to 5 into 5. Next, 100. 100 you can divide it by 2. You will get 50. 50 you can divide it by 2. You will get 25. 25 you can divide it by 5. You will get 5. 5 divided by 5. 1 you will get. Okay. So how can you write 100? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. So prime factors. Prime factors used are 2 and 5. Okay. Now finding their LCM. LCM of 25 and 100. 2 is coming 2 times in 100 and it is not coming in 25. So which one you will take? 2 is coming 2 times. In LCM, 2 will come 2 times. Okay. Now 5 is coming 2 times in 25. 5 is coming 2 times in 100 also. So 5 will come 2 times in their LCM. Okay, if a prime factor comes equal number of times in the given numbers means it will come the same number of time in their LCM also. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, you will get 100. So LCM of 25 and 100, it is 100. D, 9, 36, 45. So first prime factorization of 9. 9 is divisible by 3. You will get 3. Now 3 you can divide it by 3, 1. Okay, so 9 equal to 3 into 3. Next, 36. 36 you can divide it by 2. You will get 18. 18 you can divide it by 2. 9 you will get. 9 you can divide it by 3. You will get 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, so 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next, 45. So prime factorization of 45 we are doing. 45, it is divisible by 3. So 45 divided by 3, it is 15. 15 you can divide it by 3. You will get 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. So 45 equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So here what are the prime factors used? It is 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So prime factors equal to 2, 3, 5. Now for finding LCM, here 2. First prime factor 2 we can take. 2 is coming 2 times in 36 and it is not coming in 9 and it is not coming in 45 also. So in LCM 2 will come 2 times. Okay, so 2 into 2 into. Next prime factor 3. 3 is coming 2 times in 9. 3 is coming 2 times in 36. 3 is coming 2 times in 45. So in the LCM of 9, 36 and 45, 3 will come 2 times. Here in these 3 numbers, 3 is coming 2 times. So in their LCM also, 3 will come 2 times. Okay. Next, 5 is coming 1 time in 45 and 5 is not coming in 9 and 36. So in LCM, 5 will come 1 time. Okay. So into 5. You will get on multiplying LCM equal to 180. Okay. So LCM of 9, 36 and 45 it is 180. Next E 12, 15, 18, 36. So first we can do the prime factorization of 12. 12 you can divide it by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3. 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Next, 15. So 15 dividing by 3, you will get 5. 5 on dividing by 5, 1. So 15 equal to 3 into 5. Then 18. 18 you can divide it by 2. 9. 9 on dividing by 3 you will get 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, next 36. 36 on dividing by 2, you will get 18. 18 on dividing by 2, you will get 9. 9 on dividing by 3, you will get 3. 3 on dividing by 3, 1. Okay, so 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the prime factors used here are 2, 3 and 5. Okay, 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factors used in this. Now finding the LCM, first prime factor, it is 2. 2 is coming 2 times in 12. 2 is not coming in 15. 2 is coming 1 time in 18. And 2 is coming 2 times in 36. So if like this comes means you need to take maximum number of times. Okay, here 2, here 0, here 1, here 2. Which is maximum here? 2. Okay, if same number comes means you can write in the LCM also that same number of times will come. So in LCM 2 will come 2 times. Similarly in 3, 3 is coming 1 time in 12, 3 is coming 1 time in 15, 3 is coming 2 times in 18 and 3 is coming 2 times in 36 also. So in case of 3, this is 1 time, here also 1 time, here 2 time, here 2 time. So which is maximum here? 2 times. Okay, so in LCM also 3 will come 2 times. Okay, now 5 is coming 1 time in 15 only. So you can write in LCM also 5 will come 1 time. Okay, you will get 180. LCM of 12, 15, 18 and 36, it is 180. Next H, 22, 55, 66 and 88. So doing the prime factorization of 22, it is divisible by 2, 11, 11 by 11 it is 1. So 2 into 11 it will be. Next 55, 5 it is divisible by 5, 11. Now 11 by 11 1. Okay, so 5 into 11. Then 66, it is divisible by 2. You will get 33. Now 33 is divisible by 3. You will get 11. 11 by 11 1. So 66 equal to 2 into 3 into 11. Okay. Next 88. It is divisible by 2. 44. 44 by 2. 22. 22 by 2. 11. 11 by 11 1. So 88 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So the prime factors used here are 2, 3, 5, 11. Okay, 2 is coming, 3 is coming, 5 is coming, 11 is coming. So 2, 3, 5, 11. Now, first prime factor 2. 2 is coming 1 time here in 22. 1 time, here 0 time, here 1 time, here 3 time. Okay, so which one we will take? The maximum number of time, that is 3. Okay, so in LCM 2 will come 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now 3. 3 is not coming in 22, 55 and 88, but 3 is coming 1 time in 66. So in LCM 3 will come 1 time. Okay, next 5. 5 is not coming in 22, 66 and 88. It is coming 1 time in 55. So in LCM also 5 will come 1 time. Now 11. 11 is coming in all the numbers 1 time. So in LCM also 11 will come one time. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. It is 1320. LCM of 22, 55, 66 and 88 is 1320. Do first question F and G as homework. This much for this class. Thank you.